Hey, good morning. This is T. Evans with MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina, your upstate Bennginton dealer. Today I'm showing you a brand new 2023 Bennginton 22LSB. That is the swingback model with the blackout package, Mediterranean blue textured panels with a smoky granite accent. This boat is absolutely gorgeous. It does have a double bimini on it as well. Walk up a little closer. This is a Pontoon with a 150 on it. A closer look at the color. Absolutely beautiful boat. It's got the silver interior with carbon accent. I'll climb aboard here in just a second and show you the interior features. This boat is very well equipped. Walk around. Of course, full length Pontoon under deck skidding. Boat's ready to go. Just gotta put it on a trailer and fill it full of fuel for you, but it's absolute. Just trying to show you the good colors of it here. It does have the deluxe swing back on it, where you got these two cushions here and here will lift up so you can forward face. The backrest there will fold down and stow away out of the way. Extended aft deck, so lots of room on the back of the deck. Stainless steel gate back here in the back. Walk aboard. Got the table you stow away, stick it up under the console, up under one of the seats out of the way. Got the kicker speaker upgrade, PMX2 stereo upgrade. This boat is really well equipped. In-floor storage, bow gate seat, so it closes the front end for you, so you know kids can't climb it out on you. Portable cup holders, you can move those around to wherever someone's sitting. Two speakers up front, USB ports up front on both sides, there and there. Cup holder. It's got the RGB lighting, so you got LED lights inside. It's got the Simrad Go 7 on it. Just a really well equipped boat in stock, double bimini here at MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. If you'd like some more information on this boat and a window sticker, give us a shout or shoot us an email. Telephone number is 864-236-9005. Have a great day.